program to find smallest and largest number in an array. So to find the smallest and largest number from array, let us first define one simple array, say x of 5, and assign a values to it. Right. So the moment at which we declare this x of 5, as we had discussed, the array variables are get initialized with some index value. So that is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3 and x of 4, right? So in this way, say simple 5 different, say this array variables are get initialized. And now I'm going to assign a values to it. Say the first value is 0, 5, second value is 0, 2, third value I will say as 0, 3, the fourth value is 0, 1, and my last value is 0, 9. So what we have to do, we have to write a code in a such a way that the smallest and largest number from this array will be get sorted out here. So to find smallest number or to hold the smallest number, I declare one variable as a small, and for largest number a variable as a large. Okay, so these two variables are there. So the logic is simple and straightforward. So this first element I am going to compare first with the second element. Okay, and if the first element is greater than second, I repeat, if first element is greater than second, what it indicate, the second element is with a smaller value. Just try to get this here. 0, 5, that is the first element is compared with the second element. Okay, and as the first element is greater than that of second element, what it indicate, the second element purchase the smaller value. And in case if the reverse happen, means what, if this condition is not satisfied, means my first number is not greater than second number. I repeat, first number is not greater than second number, what it indicate, the second number is what, the largest number, that is a large number. Just try to get this. Okay, so here for this, while developing a code, now without getting much more confusion, let's switch towards a code. So first, the small is equal to large is equal to x of 0, right? So whatever my first element is there, this element I am going to assign to variable small. So the small is going to hold a value 0, 5, as well as variable large is going to hold a value 0, 5. Okay, now just compare with the rest of the index element, means what, with x of 1, x of 2, x of 3 and x of 4. And for that, for I is equal to 1, I should be less than 5 and I plus x. Okay, this is first. And inside it, if small is greater than x of I, what we have to do, the value of small will be what, say the second number. Because if my second, if this condition is satisfied, means what, my first number is greater than that of second number, what it indicate, ultimately the second number is a smallest number, right? And if condition is false, the condition, when the condition will be false, when the second number is greater than that of first number. So what I will write here, the large is equal to x of I. Okay, so this is the logic here, right? So let us cross check this. So in a first execution, up to this point, small is equal to 0, 5, large is equal to 0, 5. Now when I is equal to 1, right, when I is equal to 1, what will happen, the small, the value of small is what, it is nothing but x of 0. What is x of 0? It's a 0, 5. So 0, 5 is compared with x of 1, and what is there at x of 1? It is 0, 2. So whether the 0, 5 is greater than 0, 2? No, the condition is false here. Sorry, yes, extremely sorry. The 0, as the 0, 5 is greater than 0, 2, the condition is true. So what it indicate, the x of 0, which was say 0, 5, this value is greater than 0, 2. So now the second number, that is x of 1, is what, now the small. So now the small is going to get updated with what, small is equal to 0, 2, right? So in first execution, small is equal to 0, 2, right? As the okay, now it is going to increment the value of I by 1. So the now new value of I is what, 2, right? And what is the new value of small? The value of small is 0, 2. Now in second execution, 0 2 is compared with the 0 3, right? So whether this 0 2 is greater than 0 3, no, condition is false, it will go directly to this. So large is equal to x of 2. And what is the value of x of 2? It's a 0 3. So now after second execution, large is equal to 0 3, whereas the small value remains as it is. What is that? 0 2. Now it will go to the next execution. Now what is the value? It's a x of 3, and the value of small is still 0, right? So now 0 2 is greater than 0 1, because x of 3 is what? 0 1. Whether 0 2 is greater than 0 1, yes, condition satisfied, means the x of 3 going to possess a smaller value. So here the 0 3 is checked with 0 1, and as the condition is true, right? So now the small is equal to what? 0 1. Okay, in this way. And in last execution, when I is equal to 4, means when we are accessing this element, to access this element, the value of I is 0 1, and the value of x of 4 is 0 9. So whether this condition is satisfied? No, right? So because of that, the x of 4 is get assigned to the large variable. So what is that? Large is equal to 0 9. So in this way, after successful completion of entire execution, the value of small is 0 1 as indicated here, and the value of variable large is 0 9 as indicated. So in this way, we are going to sort out the smallest and largest number from the given array, right? So let us cross check this with execution. So here we are, the x of 5, the array where we are going to hold the 5 different values, small to hold the smaller number, large to hold the largest number, right? So go with the stepwise execution again. So I'm going to consider here the values. Same value. So first value is what? My 0 5. Then what was the second value? The second value is 0 2. Third value is say 0 1. The fourth value is 0 3, and the last value I'm going to enter as say 10, right? So here if you see, what are my value? 5 2 1 3 and 10, right? Then the next, so the first element, what is that? Here the values whatever I have accessed, now I'm going to display on the output screen. And once I finish it, x of 0th element, that is 0 5, I'm going to assign to small and large. And now I'm going to compare. Here the value of small is 5, and it is compared with x of 1. What is x of 1? It's a 0 2, right? So x of 1, that is 0 2, is compared with a 0 5, and the obtained result, okay, what it indicates? The second number is smaller. Okay, so because of that, now the small is going to hold the value as a 0 2. Again, now the next, the value of small is 2, the value of I is 2, right? So x of 2, that is 1. So here for this statement, the 2 is compared with 1, and as the 1 is smaller, the value of small is now as what? 1. Okay, next, where large is 3, and at last 10. So after execution, from this array, as we know that 10 is my largest value and 1 is the smallest value. So when I'm going to pay attention, right? So smallest value in array is 1, and the largest value in array is 10, right? So in this way, we can develop a code to find the smallest and largest number from the